Hello and welcome to class everyone. So today we will see about spatial permission in Linux. Spatial permission basically it is the fourth permission type in addition to users, groups and other types. As the name implies, spatial permission provide additional access related features beyond what the basic permission type allow. Basic permission just like you have seen about read, write and execute. Now we will see about spatial permission. So in spatial permission, there will be three. First will be SUID. It is one type of spatial permission. And what its impact for the SUID? The file execute as the user that own the file, not as the user that run the file. It is the specification about the SUID. You have seen and you know about the basic permission, how you apply. In the same way, if you have applied the SUID, you have to use chmod u plus s, then file name. Like that, you have to run it. So it is right time to see one example in order to understand it very well. Let's do. So if you check about which pass WD, you will get the path USR bin pass WD. Now just look for their properties, their attributes. You will get basically who is the owner. You will see that root is the user owner and root as the group owner. So it should be run by the root only. Now there is S character there. S character symbolized here SUID, which is the spatial permission. And what we have learned that if there is SUID means file execute as the user that own the file, not the user that run the file. We already aware that normal user can also change their password. Why? Because there is a SUID. If there is no SUID, he cannot change their password. So how we will verify it? First, we will remove the SUID. Then we will try to give password and check it is allowed or not. Chmod u minus s, then sr, then passwd, exec bash to update the bash. After it, just verify again ls-l sr bin, then passwd. Now you can check that there is no S character there, means SUID is removed. Now I will check ls-l/home. So basically there are multiples home directory will be. There is a test user home directory. So right now I am going to give the password for the test user with the help of test user, not by the root user. I am switching to test user account. After switching to test user account, I am giving passwd. Hit enter. What is the current password? I have given the current password. Current password is right. That's why it's prompt us for the new password. Now the new password. New password is also fine. That's why it's taken and not showing any error. Error just like it is short than 8 character, or just you are using the password in which you have mentioned the name of user. Like that types of error is not there. Means it is fine. Now retype again. It's saying that there is some authentication token manipulation error and it's not allowed to change it. Now, let's try what we are going to do. We are just going to change the SUID. We are applying SUID there. So, chmod u plus s for the USR bin passwd. We have changed. updated. Now check yes R bin pass WD and you will find that now SUID is applied. Now it is right time to log in or just switch your account to test user. After it, now try to change your password again. Current password means old password because it is not still changed. Then the new password and same which I provided previously. You can check that it's saying all authentication tokens update successfully. Means the password which is given by the test user is updated successfully. Why? Because there is applying of the SUID and SUID having the features that the file executed as the user that own the file. So right now the test is a other user, but right now it's behave just like the owner of the file. When it's done, he behaves just like the owner of the file. That's why it is allowed by him to run the passwd command. So this is all about SUID. In next uh, upcoming video, we will see the other special permission. Thank you.